Hey guys, Troy here, and man, it's been quite a while since I've made a video. I have 3 videos upcoming. One of them, I have made a mistake on that. So, yeah, let's get started. Today I have a simple puzzle box for you guys, so let's get on to it. Get that out of the way. Like I said, it's small, it's simple. Here we go. So yeah. This one I'm gonna say, I'm gonna name this Simple. Simp-L. Yeah, so that's the name of this thing. It goes by its name. It is very simple, as a matter of fact. So let's get on to it. So, can't shake anything out, which is a good thing. You can't take it apart. That's part of the law of Lego bricks. So, there's 2 things you can do. And I'm gonna do it the way I like it to do it. And you're gonna press in this, white and yellow piece. And if you'll notice, this whole entire section will come out. And there's a big chunk of it. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to press this thing through, and unless you fiddle with it a bunch, this thing it's not supposed to come out. So then you're going to slide this section through. This will come out. Then you're going to slide this brown piece out and move it around, and there is your treasure, this small 1x1 I had. So yeah, like I said, very simple as it goes for the name. So let me just put this back together. It's also very simplistic to put back together. It's only like 3 or 4 steps. But it's actually pretty secure. There is a small hole, unfortunately, but other than that, pretty simple. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video, which will be in about 2 minutes. So, goodbye.